Good morning, good morning. Oh, it seems like KRK is here. Good morning or your reggelt. Hey there. I begin the Combine account now. In the London session, very good. Nice, man. Wow. Congratulations there. Huge applause. Some good news, and by the way, KRK, I just secured another payout this morning, as you can see. 7 hours before that, I just got the confirmation I'm pulling out another $729 from TopStep from another funded account, which I have at TopStep. So I can finally say I'm making some progress. So it's getting better. It's getting better. Congratulations, starting the Combine. Congratulations there. Don't forget to like the stream. By the way, it's very dark here. Actually, it's rainy. It's cloudy. Let's go, right? Let's go. Let's show them that here in Hungary you can make a pretty nice money and make a living from trading. And not with your own money, but with prop firms. And this is really something that people can't even realize how big of a thing that is, especially in this country. I just have to move the curtain because it's very dark here. All right. So let's go. Okay. I'm feeling definitely better, especially if I have some money from TopStep coming to my way. So yeah. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling much. Actually, yesterday I was feeling better. Yesterday I made I don't even know. Let me check how much setup's taken. I made 32 points on Nasdaq. So my first trade, I can show you right here. I share it on my Discord. There was a long entry yesterday right after market open. So what you see here on this chart is actually, I'm gonna zoom it out so you can see it better. It was at after market open at 9:48 something. I went into a long position. Then it turned against me. I lost 15 points. But then, what happened then? Let me see. But then I went into another long position when it dipped lower, and I made 38 points here. This is also on Nasdaq. I made this trade. This was a beautiful setup after 10 a.m. opening, and right after that. I made a short when it dipped into the 15-minute fair value gap, but I got cold feet. I got scared. I was a chicken, and I closed the trade at 9 points. And as you can see, it went to my original target. So I was definitely feeling some FOMO here because I didn't take the profit. So I was very stupid by not letting the trade ride out. It went back up here. I got scared that it wants to take out the 16,000 level. And then it started to dip down, and I said, all right, I want to book my profit for today, and I want to finish. Should have let this ride out. And these are the kind of things that messes up your psychology. I could have made an extra 40 points here, actually, or 39 points. And this just went down, and I closed it with 9 points. So anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. But it was cool. It was cool. I really liked it. So yesterday was a good New York session. Very nice. I streamed it in my Discord. So congratulations on starting on your new Combine account. Let's check what is going on. Let's check what's going on in the markets. Hopefully there won't be any surprises today. I think we do have some news. Let me check it. All right. So let's see. We have some unemployment rate, right? No. No, manufacture. Yeah, that's CAD. All right. We have manufacturing PMI. Oh, next week we're gonna. Oh, Powell. Yeah, Powell is going to speak today. I'm not gonna. I don't care about that because it's out of my trading range. So I don't care about Powell speaking. I'm not gonna trade by then. All right. So next week we're gonna have non-farm payroll. That's a tricky week. That's always tricky. So Nasdaq. Let's recap this real quick. Nasdaq. I don't know how to control Ninja Trader, so I changed to trade away. Hey, that's your decision. I mean, whatever suits you. Man, it's so dark here. Oh no. I just messed up everything. It's very, very, very dark in my room right now because it's super rainy and super cloudy. How to control? Yeah, you should do what suits you the best. I'm not saying trade away is bad or something. I just don't feel it. I don't like it. That's my personal opinion. If you prefer trade away or a Quanta or whatever, do that. That's the good thing in Top Step, by the way, that you can choose, like, I don't even know how many platforms are there right now, like 6 or 8 or something. I don't know. The thing is, you can push the button. So again, if someone is new here, guys, just push the like button, and I'm happy to announce that I'm already getting a new payment today from Top Step, $729. So that makes it nearly $3,000 in 1 month, which I took out from Top Step, and I think that's not bad, considering the fact that I was trading micros and I blew up a funder account. Now, actually, I have 2 more funder accounts, and I have more lining up to be activated, but I'm only trading with 2 right now. So let's see. Yesterday, I was so sure. Now look at these levels on the hourly. I was very, very, very sure. Right until news came out at 8:30, I was so sure. No, you will get there too, KRK, because if you stick with the chart, do the analysis, and continue the work, as long as you don't give up, you're gonna get whatever you want in trading. And honestly, because you and me are Hungarians, we understand that making this kind of money in 1 month in Hungary, I'm not saying it's the best money, but it's definitely better than the average. So, and you know what? ICT, as ICT was saying, F college, F school, F everything. They don't teach you how to make money on the monthly basis. They will teach you how to be a slave in a cubicle or in an office for the rest of your life for minimum wage. But this shit here that we're doing, this is teaching you how to make money. This is, putting money into a combine account, KRK, putting money into a combine account, or maybe a mentorship or whatever that gives you value, That's the best investment. That's way better investment than paying thousands of dollars per year or per 6 months on university or whatever. I'm not ashamed to say that I dropped out from university. It was a crazy. Thank God I don't do that shit, because none of those universities, I mean, except for the doctors. I respect the doctors. We need doctors. We need physicians. We need those guys, because I deeply respect the doctors and the teachers, and everyone should respect that and learn that we need the doctors and we need the teachers. Very, very important. But because they are going to help the future generation and they're going to heal people. But otherwise, none of those schools are teaching you how to make money. And F that, F that. Putting money into a prop firm and, suffer and put more money and suffer more. That's what you should do. If someone is a beginning trader, I'm not considering myself a beginner anymore. You have to put in money and you have to suffer. You have to feel pain. You have to feel physical pain. You have to get through those. And then you will learn how to make it, how to pull out money constantly from the market. And the best thing which I love in prop trading with the normal prop firms like Top Step is that, you can make money from not your own money. You make money from the company's money. How great is that? I wish we would have these systems like 10 years ago. Anyway. So yesterday, Nasdaq, 8:30 news, New York time, pumped up. I thought that we're gonna go for this 1 hour fair value gap up here. We didn't go there. This area right here is a 1 hour fair value gap. Now it's also a buy side liquidity and the yesterday high right here. Very significant level at the 16,999. So 16,100 technically. Then I was still hoping until 9:30 that it could be just a manipulation leg, and then it will distribute higher, but it didn't. Actually, it can still be a manipulation because I'm gonna give you my personal insight. So we dropped down sharply. I made my trades, of course, in the New York session. Dropped down, took out sell side, priced this range here on the hourly, and then as you can see, pumped right back up. So where we are right now, we're waiting for Powell. Most likely the market will do something here, but I'm afraid that we're going to miss the big move, which I'm not trading for Powell because that's right at the end of the session. I don't want to make any loss and then feel miserable on the weekend. But my gut feeling still tells me that, accumulation phase, power of 3, remember, power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, and we might be starting the distribution leg from down here. I don't know. Right now we are pretty much consolidating in this range on the 1 hour chart. And yeah. So I'm hoping for a bullish movement. I mean, some more consolidation. This is what I'm hoping for, to be honest. In the big picture, this is what I'm hoping for. Otherwise, if I go down to the 5 minute, I don't really see anything special. I do see this imbalance right there, which is great. If I zoom it out, we can see that it took out these lows. So we are technically inside of a fair value gap. If I zoom down to the 1 minute or to the 30-second, there is a chance that right now at market open, which is going to happen in less than 1 minute, we can have a judo swing or maybe a leg lower and then spike up. And since we're here, I'm gonna check what pound is doing. Maybe we have some movement in the pound since we're at the London Open. Previous day low is here, high is there. All right, we are in a 1 hour fair value gap. If I go down to the 5 minute, yeah, it can turn out fine. We took out lows. Okay, overall bias is we're pretty much in a bullish movement right here. So I guess let's see. Market opened up right now. Let's check NQ. NQ is pushing a little bit higher. Power Pound is pushing a little bit higher. We don't have any news, I think. Yeah, nothing major. No news. Pound is pushing higher. NQ started to push higher with no displacement. I'm gonna check the 500 tick chart just to make sure. On the left side is the 500 tick chart for NQ. Nothing there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to trading view. No setup for me to take. I still have this trader weight account, 155k right now. This is a top step trader weight account. You know, hoping to put it to pass the combine. ES, oh, didn't check ES, doesn't really matter. Let's check pound. Pound is edging higher a little bit, and let's check the dollar index real quick. Dollar index is closing down this gap, new day opening gap, I might say. Went through this 4-hour bearish order block. Not sure what it wants to do now. That's the dollar index. Anyway, let's go back to... I'm switching charts because I have multiple screens here, but because of you guys, I just want to switch all over and follow my thought process. Pound is... well, it took out Asia low. Well, maybe we can say that. I would be happier if it would go down here. Sloppy bearish order block here, doesn't really matter. This is not ideal price movement. And look at NQ, wow. So NQ, without any sign of retracement, started to go up. Buy side should be at 63, which is only 5 points away. I'm not taking any trades. We're pretty much not doing anything. Sorry, I'm hopping all over here. I'm just checking the London Open. We're pretty much hovering around the midnight opening range. So nothing on NQ, nothing particular happened. Now yesterday, what this was on NQ, look at that. Right before the 4 p.m. close on regular trading hours, I think this was Tesla. This was Elon Musk and Tesla. They started to deliver the Cybertrucks to the first, I don't know how many thousand customers. Deliveries has started, and so that has put an enormous gain on the Tesla stock, but I don't know because I just read this information. I didn't check the Tesla price, so I have no idea how Tesla share price goes. I can search for it actually, but that's the only thing I was reading, that why this happened right before market close. But I don't know. November 29. Actually, that's not true because I'm just checking the share price from yesterday and it was declining. So I don't know what the hell. I don't know. I was just reading that some news came out and the technological sector pumped a little bit and Tesla had something to do with it. Anyway. Or maybe it was just Elon Musk saying something. So pound still at the same range how it opened. We might going to have a slow morning. Let's check gold. Okay, since we're here, let's check gold. What's gold doing? Gold is pretty much in consolidation since 3 days right now. Went down, tapped into a little bit of liquidity on the 1 hour. Changed the market structure to the upside, so it looks like a bullish flag, especially with this hourly candle yesterday after market close. I'm staying bullish with gold, and as I was telling, my final target would be the 80s up there. So I'm definitely looking for gold to reach for the 80s. Maybe Powell will push it up there. I just don't have any entry criteria for gold. So as long as it's gonna take out these lows, that's fine. I'm just gonna search for a reversal. But that's it for now on gold. Please guys, don't forget to push the like, you know. NQ is still edging higher, but I don't have any setups. Let's look at for some significant levels on NQ while we are still having some volume. The next significant level would be the high of this candle, which is 1999. So we can basically say that it's a 16,000 level. I'm just gonna put it to 1999, all right? Because that's where the fair value gap starts. So 15,1999 would be a significant level. Why? Because we have a fair value gap right there. Okay, so that's a significant target to go to. Made a new low right here with a small tick. It could be a liquidity run. Low resistance liquidity run, which used to mean like it can go without any kind of resistance towards this liquidity. How far is that? We're actually almost 70. Well, that's a hefty 30 points, 35 points, so it can go there. Now this is great because if this stays like this 5 minute, then it's going to be a bullish breaker. But we still have to wait another 5 minutes. Actually, no, we don't have to, really. Let me check something. Okay, we don't really have to. This one is going to be a bullish breaker. Hello, Teacher FX is here. Win, 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 win. WWW. I really appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. And like the stream, you know, as usual. Thank you, thank you. Love you guys. So we are facing a bullish breaker, by the way, guys, on the 5 minute NQ. Bullish breaker, which is a very strong setup. It can almost be a unicorn setup. And by the way, hello Teacher FX, as you can see, another payout from $729, which is not the world, but you know, TopStep is paying me third time in 1 month. Basically, it's December, but third time in 1 month. Okay, so this is going to be a a bullish breaker. Come on. This is already a bullish breaker. Why? Because it made a new low, even with just one tick, but it made a new low. This candle right here, definitely hello Teacher FX. Next year is going to be the big year for us. I can feel it too, man. I can feel it too. We are going to change the whole everything, the whole game plan, the whole scene. So if this candle would stay like this, or maybe higher would be better, but still, then this long candle right here with the body would provide us a nice bullish breaker entry. So I might just gonna take it. How do I trade with this? Actually, you know what? I might just going to, how far is this? 63, 59. I'm going to put it to 59.75. I might just have to take this trade with the 45.07. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this trade, I think. Okay, so it's a bullish breaker. It broke structure. Come on, how do I do that? How do I Can I put a limit order here? I hate this. Buy limit, right? I put a limit order there. I'm gonna put stop loss later. Buy limit there. And I'm gonna put it to my Ninja Trader 4503. 4503. Challenge account. 2 contracts. And let's put it here. What was it? What was the entry point? I forgot. Who cares? No! Let's go. I always... What the hell is this? Forgot to push this. Okay. Now this is 59.75 entry on me. Don't know what the hell. 59.75. Yeah, 59.75 would be a good limit order. 59.75. Actually, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put a buy limit here at 60. It goes down to 60. I don't want to wait for it to reprice the whole range here. If it wants to go up sharply, then I'm just gonna let it go. Okay. We made it this far. We're in to lose now. We in it to win it. Definitely, we're in it to win it. I love that. Yes, we're definitely in it to win it. 60. Oh, you're going KRK. All right. Have a nice trading day as well. And hey, congrats for starting on your Combine account. You know, just keep it slow, and I suggest on your 50k account you might want to go with the micros, maybe, you know, just to get the feel of it. And be careful on Friday. Oh, huge applause for everyone who's here. And don't forget, guys, to push the like. You're not going, all right. I thought that you're just saying hi. You're going. Okay, sorry. It sounded like okay, he's going. He doesn't want to trade. He's gonna trade maybe later. Okay, we're still not filled. Okay, we're filled. I don't mind if it goes down a little bit more. It's fine by me. I accepted it. If it goes down below here, it's over anyway. So I'm gonna put my stop at 48-ish. Trade, sell, stop right there. Okay. And I think I'm already, yeah, I'm in the Ninja Trader account as well. I'm gonna put a sell stop right there, and we'll see how far we go from here. This is a 5-minute entry, so let's go where, well, let's see. Well, I'm definitely aiming for this. You know what, I'm gonna take damn, I'm not favoring this trade weight. I mean, not trade weight, well, it's trade weight, trading view platform. I'm definitely not favoring it. So my entry is at 60. I'm gonna take down one contract at 70. All right, just to make sure that we booked something. And then I'm gonna move my stop a little bit closer, and I want to ride it all the way up to the highs here. Actually, that's not a good risk reward ratio. You entered. Your entry is at 955.75. $905.55. 955. How did you go down to 955? There was no price down there. 955, 75. So you entered here. Man, you have some insight there, you know. You entered right there. I don't like this platform. Trade. Oh, your limit. Okay, because you're waiting for optimal trade entry. That's a wise decision. Okay, I'm sorry. That's a wise decision. That's very, very wise. I wish I could be that wise as you are, actually. But I'm not. I'm impatient. I'm an impatient guy. I'm still working on my psychology. I'm pretty much impatient. You're right, actually. Optimal trade entry level would be somewhere around there. Used to do that as well. Nowadays, I'm just pretty much aggressive with the combine account. So yes, I can see that now. Yeah, it can easily go down there. Yeah, there you go. You will have it. And I just go aggressively with my combine accounts, and it is what it is. Second TP right there. I am impatient. I admit that. So I'm definitely impatient. I still have to work on that. But for now, this is the trade. Let's check. Oh, look at pound. Wow. This trade could have been taken under 1 minute, by the way. Fair value gap here. This could have been a great one. I missed it. 39. Well, only 6 pips, but you know, whatever the market gives you. Gold is still just, you know, not doing really anything. So let's get back to NQ. Patience is key, KRK. So don't worry if you miss this trade, because there's going to be plenty of other opportunities. A lot, like tons of opportunities. So that was a hard lesson for me to learn, but I don't deal with that anymore. I can proudly say that these kind of situations, when I put a limit order and price just misses it and goes, for example, to a target which I predicted, I mean, I think I can say that I'm pretty much accepted that it happens, and we're going to have lots of more opportunities if you're not getting filled, and if the price would go straight to that point. I'm just looking for this to take out this high, and when it does, I'm going to move my stop below this swing. It's not going to be the trade of the year, I know that. I absolutely know that, but that's what I'm hoping for. And you know, if by some reason we would just go through like butter through the 15,999 level, which is a very juicy level in my opinion, then I would be still holding on to my big picture forecast. Look at that, 16,257. I still am not giving up on that level, guys. If I go to the daily, oh my, I know you guys can't see anything. I can't as well. I don't even see anything here. But I can still see, I mean, anticipate one more leg just to make a new high. So I am definitely bullish on NQ, especially after yesterday. Even if it goes down now. As far as we're not going back to those CPI candles from last week, I'm gonna stay bullish. So I'm sorry I'm hopping all over. This is the 1 minute NQ. Don't forget the likes, guys. Don't forget the likes and subscribe, you know. And lots of new things are coming. Well, not too much, but you know, my private Discord is updating with some things. I know it's a paid membership. There's gonna be some adjustments in the future, so stay tuned. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Until then. It looks like NQ is having trouble. Let's look at ES. We didn't check ES this morning. Look at that. Look at that. Sell side liquidity has been purged here and here. Boom. Now it started to go back up. Look at that, how beautiful that is. I don't know what the hell is this. Oh yeah, that's a 15-minute high. Okay, that's buy side right there. So look at that. I mean, it purged. That's how ICT says it purged liquidity down there, ES. If we look to the 1 hour, how beautiful. And we have everything up here lined up to be taken out. Buy side liquidity is all over, juicy points, relative equal highs, fair value gaps, new day opening gap, whatever you want. It's a buffet here. It's a buffet. Up here, this whole area is a buffet for ES. And if ES goes up there, my friends, I'm telling you, NQ is gonna push the roof. We might have to wait for Powell to do that. So it might gonna be a Powell thing. Oh, I forgot to put one take profit to Ninja Trader at the 70s. I'm gonna put one take profit here, and I'm gonna put the other one to 90. If it starts to consolidate, who knows, you know. So I'm trading on 2 challenge accounts, or combine, or whatever we want to call it. Excuse me. One is here at TradeAway, which I hate. I mean, this platform, not TradeAway, TradingView, trading, whatever this is. I don't like it. So I just don't like it. But I'm gonna go on with this since I have no other choice. Okay, and I am also in the same trade on a challenge account with Ninja Trader. So let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm still gonna be curious what's happening after market open. We're gonna have the ISM manufacturing PMI. I have no idea what the hell is that. Oh, I know, look at that. Level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers. So basically a bunch of people you know, filling out some surveys and lying about how good they are. Yeah, okay, that's gonna be valuable data, I can assume. So this data is just going to be a survey which has been filled out by managers, right? So, you know, how accurate that is, because they can say what they want. And yeah, I know. Oh yeah, but they are audited and controlled, you know. Yeah, sure. And I believe in Mickey Mouse as well. Yeah. Sure. They are told what to write into those surveys. I'm not saying this. Some super professionals are saying this, that those managers have been told what to write into those surveys. And even the ones they were not told, they received the paperwork of how the unreal data is. The economy is in bad shape, so there's going to be a recession in next year. Whatever is in those surveys. Anyway, forget that. I'm not an economist, so I don't even know much about it. So I'm not going to. I'm not going to go into those quarters. NQ is still going up. Okay, but look at Pound. Pound is really the way it wants to do something. It wants to take out this 56 level. If it takes out that level, where can it go? Next level for pound should definitely be yesterday's high. But I don't really see anything where it could go. There was no entry. Actually, there was one here, so but it was not optimal and it was only a few pips, so nothing there. Gold. What the? Okay, gold is starting to do something. Forget that. Gold is not doing anything. Gold is just... Look at that. I don't like what gold is doing this morning. Let's put just you know, just for visual purposes, let's put this fair value gap here. Maybe we will get some information out of it. Otherwise, gold is pretty much not doing anything. Let's go back to NQ. That's much more interesting. Almost reached my TP1 here. If I do, I'm gonna move my one contract stop loss. Well, maybe to break even, I don't know. Or maybe just below this swing or whatever. Because if it trades below this, then it can definitely go further down. So I'm gonna limit my risk there. If it takes out the 70. It should take out. We do have a high there. If it wants to go there. Oh man. And my second TP is up there. It's gonna be a runner if it goes. Trading is boring, guys. So if you're onto the action, I'm sorry, I don't have a hot tub, and you cannot make you know, donation. I mean, you can make donations. There's a donation button or link somewhere down there, or go to my website. Donations are welcome. So, but I don't have a hot tub, and I don't have you know, strip-ons and bikinis and stuff like that. So I'm sorry about that, but this is not that kind of exciting show. It's trading. It's our purpose here is to be bored and make money while we are bored. You have to understand that trading is about being bored. Interesting, because when I was a kid, I went out to fishing, and until today I don't really... Okay, one is ready. One TP is reached, so let's put the music in, all right? So I wasn't really into fishing, but until today I'm not into fishing. I can't really understand how you can spend your whole morning or day just waiting for... I mean, sitting next to a lake. I was a kid. I was sitting next to the lake at my town, and from 6 a.m. I was with a friend, and some days we were catching a fish, some days not, and it was super boring. But now I do basically almost the same. I sit here next to the lake of the market, and I'm just waiting to catch something. And yeah. Should I put this to break even? Alright, I'm gonna put it to break even with one tick. 59. I'm gonna put it here. I have a new subscriber. Thank you very much. Lockpay just subscribed. Welcome. Huge applause, my man. Welcome to the stream. If you don't know yet who I am, I'm a super absolutely professional Lambo guru trader, pulling out millions of dollars from the market. No, I'm just a humble trader, you know, building up this place. Small amount of people, good community, so thank you for the subscription. Check out my blog at pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz. It's basically the same, nothing fancy, nothing marketing stuff there. And so no marketing, just, you know, I have a private paid Discord membership because this is the only thing I live from, trading. And I secured my third payout in less than 30 days from TopStep. And there you go. But I'm not making millions. I'm just making enough, yet only enough to pay out my bills. But KRK here and Hello Teacher FX here can confirm that in a few months from now, and I'm not even saying insane things, I think we're going to pull out thousands of dollars minimum. I mean minimum tens of thousands, sorry, dollars from the market with the help of TopStep. So there you go. Anyway, this is a free trade now. Oh, I forgot Ninja Trader. Look at that. Totally forgot that. I had a trade here as well. Let's put it to break even. I'm gonna put it to 60 here. Okay. All right. So these trades are at break even. Almost forgot about Ninja Trader. Okay, so I'm looking for that 16,000 level overall. Nothing fancy. Excuse me. I need to sleep this weekend. I need to rest out myself because it's just too much. Don't forget to push the likes, guys. Don't forget to push those likes, because that's the only thing I know how YouTube algorithm is going to put out my stream to more screens. So that's the only thing that they confirm. Look at that. Is that? It looks like it definitely wants to go to 90. It wants to go to 90 or 100 or whatever. I'm sorry that I'm yawning here. This trade is looking actually quite good. Let's check Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader is here around 90. Oh yeah, look at that. I think the 90 level would be great. On the 5 minute, definitely. It's a good level. So it's definitely going to be my TP2. On the left side is the 500 tick chart. If someone would asking me what the hell is the left side, is a 500 tick chart. Helps me to identify structure shift as well. I'm gonna give you an example. For example, this trade which we took, you could also taken it on the 500 tick chart right here. Entry would have been almost the same, like at 62 or 60 right there. There was the fair value gap on the 500 tick chart. So yeah. Now let's go back to NQ here. Okay, let's check pound. Pound didn't took out this one. Wow. Okay, let's check the 5 minute. I feel like it wants to take this out. 50-50. The risk reward ratio is off. That's my problem. I'm not jumping into a long position. I don't see the risk reward ratio. I mean, yes, it can go up, but you know, if it takes out this high, then what? I don't know what's gonna happen then. So I'm just gonna wait. So let's wait. And let's check gold. Oh, gold. Lost soul. Gold is just a lost soul here. Hovering. Okay. Okay. Alright. Waiting for NQ. How old are you guys? I know that KRK is very young. Something like 20 or 18. I don't know. Hello Teacher FX is how old? I feel like I'm a pensioner. I'm like so old. I'm just waiting for my pension. Yes, in May I become 20. Oh, congratulations. My birthday is in May as well. Oh, there you go. KRK is 20. Oh, I wish I would be 20 years old again. Oh my god. I wish. Oh my god, I wish. Oh, so many things. So many things I would do differently. Oh my god. But this is life. So many things. Well, I know I look like 21, but you know, I'm trying to. That's why I'm not using a bigger camera picture, because I'm not using an HD camera. I mean, that's an HD camera, but only 720. You know, so you guys won't see the wrinkles on my head. But I'm 39. I am 39 years old. I'm gonna be 40 in next year. I was born in 1984, guys. I was born in 1984. So yes, I'm going to become 40 next year. But I'm gonna go to a clinic. They're gonna do a bunch of stuff with my face. I'm gonna do some plastic surgery. It's gonna be awesome, guys. Plastic surgery, some, you know, stuff. Some creams. And I'm gonna look like a 25-year-old. That's how awesome I would be. I want to live like until 100 years minimum. That's how I want to do it. Man, I wish I could be 20 years old again. Oh, so much thing were going on. But the first time I involved in the Forex markets, it was in 2007. I don't even know how old I was then. I was like 24 or something like that, 25. And there was a MetaTrader robot. It's called Fab Turbo, and of course it was a full marketing balloony. And they were promising that you're going to be a millionaire from Forex by using this Forex robot, and I believed it. And that was the first encounter for me with trading in 2007. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wish I would be 27. I wish. 39 years old I am. 39. I know I look younger on the camera. And don't worry, as soon as I make enough money from trading, I'm gonna be doing some plastic surgery. So I'm gonna be staying so young, like forever. I'm gonna show you which was the first thing that got me into trading. Is this still? I think it's still a working website, I think. Okay, so now it's called Fab Turbo 3. So in 2007, this website was the one that got me into Forex. It's an EA robot, which is a scalping robot, and it promises you that you're going to be a millionaire in 1 month. Of course, 100% winning rate, everything you want. So I read all this. I was reading all this shit. All this. I was reading through all the... everything. All the crap. These guys are millionaires from using this MetaTrader robot. So I said, okay, what I want to do, I want to be a millionaire too. And so I bought this robot for, at that time in US dollars, it was like $200 or something. So that was a huge money back then. I mean, much, much bigger money than now, $200. So I bought the robot. I put in like $500 to my account, not proper money. And $500 in 2007 was like now $1,500. So I put in $500 to my account. I put in the Fab Turbo robot, and in 2 days it blew my account. So it was a really, really great experience. And despite the fact that I lost my saved money, I said, all right, this shit can make money. So that's how I started in 2007. Then, after I lost some money, I left trading in 2009 or 10. And then when I returned to trading, it was 2017. So almost 10 years later, I started to do this like real seriously. Very, very, very seriously. I took this thing very seriously. Not so seriously because, of course, as I told it earlier, from 2017 until the pandemic, around 2000, I lost basically everything twice. So that was the college money. That was the university money for me. And since the past year, since the late 2022, I can say that I'm finally at the constantly profitable phase where I can pay my bills and pull out money constantly from the market, because I hurt myself so much. And I hope if someone is new here, just push the like button please, because I do need the support. So I hurt myself so much, and I burnt myself so much, and I suffered so much that, you know, this is the thing that I think every trader needs to go through. So if you're young and just starting out, I'm sorry to say this, but you're gonna have to fail. It has to run its course, because until you don't feel that pain, mental and physical pain, you're going to do stupid shit in trading. Just saying. And by the way, if someone is new here, and please subscribe. Do visit my blog at pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz, and consider joining me on my paid private membership, because that's the only thing I do right here, right now. Trading and sharing all my knowledge. I have trading setups. I have the live New York session trading only to my Discord members with my live and funded accounts. The thing... every data is shared, the trade setups are shared. I have my detailed entry model in my Discord membership, and I have weekly forecasts as well, and I do one-to-one trading body coaching, if I may say so, where I share my ideas and my thoughts, and I help out members everywhere I can. But you know, this is something I'm taking as a business. So anyway, back to the thing I was saying. You suffer a lot from falling like to you're straight. Well, hey there. That's good thing, KRK, because you're young and you already suffered, and that's a good thing, because that's the thing that's going to bring you forward. Sarvesh is here. Hey man, guys, everyone deserves an applause. And Sarvesh, I'm proud to say that after that failure earlier this week, I can say that I have another payout. It's only $729, so it's not too much. but I just got the email early this morning from TopStep that it's from another funded account. Of course, it's not from the one which blown, but so that makes me 3 payouts in less than 30 days. In the past 30 days, almost $3,000 payout now. You're almost 30 now, so I'm the oldest one. I'm 39, guys. I am 39, and I wasted quite a few years from my life by not learning this shit sooner. Yeah, I mean, 30 is great. I was doing some great things, by the way, when I was 30. Believe it or not, I was having quite a lot of, I mean, not a lot of money, but I had money, but it was not from trading Forex or futures. I was a salesman for an insurance company, and I was guiding a team of salesmen. So it wasn't MLM, but I was a team leader for a group of salesmen at an insurance company. And it was a very good job, and I wasn't trading, but I was getting lots of commissions after the team, of course, because if my team was providing good results, then the leader, who was me, was making lots more, even more, you know. And so I had yeah, it's good to have, you know. It's good to have, absolutely. So believe it or not, there was a time when I had 5 BMWs at one time. I'm a huge BMW guy. I had a BMW Z3. I had the newest Z4. I had 2 7 Series. I had 2 7 Series at the same time, and I had a 5 Series. And so I was having 5 BMWs. My mother was crazy because she couldn't put my cars. I mean, it didn't fit in my garage at my house, so I put it to her house, and she was crazy what to do with those cars. And I had a friend of mine. He borrowed one of my 7 Series because anyway. So I was having money. I was going down to the sea, to Croatia, to enjoy the summer, and, you know, partying and stuff like that. So I had money, and I lost most of that money, which is left over from that company. I lost most of it between 2017 to 5 BMWs. Next time, KRK, I'm gonna show you guys a picture. I will find a picture for you guys. Then in front of our house there are 5 BMWs, and my neighbor came over like, "Is this like a club meeting or something?" And I said, "No, these are my cars right now." I mean, the newest 7 Series at that time, it was the newest model. 2 of them, one was a 730 diesel and a 740 diesel. And well, you know, I left the company because the company actually it dissolved. It has been taken over by another company, and so I said, I said to my colleagues, I might going to, you know, build up a new company like that, because we were kind of agents for insurance companies. And then I was thinking, oh, the Indigo is here. Hey there. Thank you so much for joining. Push the like button. So what I did is I wanted to start a new company, but then I went into trading because that's when something clicked. London macro time. Definitely it is. Definitely it is. And so instead of going back to insurance, I thought that I don't need to build up a team again. I saw at that time many people online making huge money from trading. So I sold my cars once. I sold my cars, and for 1 year I deliberately did not look for any job because I wanted to learn and you know, spend some time up. So I was living up from my savings basically for almost 1 year. I was living up from my savings, and so I oh, hey there. Cartina, hey there, bro. Oh my god, so many good people here. Let me put an applause for everyone. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're trading futures here, and I'm in a trade here at Trade08, and I'm also in a trade on my NinjaTrader account still. We already took down half of the position. We're looking for the 16,000 level up there to be broken. And if someone is new here, I can tell you guys, I'm a Top Step funded trader, and I just announced that I already took down my third payout this month from Top Step, and I'm very happy about that. And if you want to know more about me, just visit my blog at tomsabo.biz or peep.ninja, where I have a super nice but not fancy but a handful of people of private Discord paid membership, of course, where I share a lot of stuff. New York private streaming in the New York session. Yesterday we made 32 points in my Discord membership, and all my trade setups, my exact entry model. I use ICT models, of course, and briefly that's all. So back to my previous topic. I lost my how I lost it. I lost my money. I sold my cars. First of all, I lived up my savings, and at that time I was stupid because I didn't know that there wasn't really prop firms. There wasn't really prop firms at that time, and there was a prop firm, Audacity Capital. They were providing $15,000, and I started out with them. But anyway, I put my savings into Forex accounts, and long story short, I lost it all. And I lost all my savings from 2017. I lost my cars. I lost my savings in 3 years. In 3 years, I lost everything. Went down to absolute zero. I mean, definite zero. Absolutely. And during the pandemic, started to learn all over again. And in 2022, it started to click in. Finally, the ICT method started to click in, and finally, as you guys can see, the ones who are following me regularly, I can pull out money from the markets on the regular basis, and so I can pay for my living costs, which is a huge step for me because I want to be independent from society. I think it's on my YouTube as well. My goal is to be independent from society. We definitely have to. I mean, guys, when I was 30, so we were talking about like how old we are, and I'm 39, and
connection lost.
Oh, connection lost. Oh, there you go. That's NinjaTrader. Don't worry, guys. It's fine. I used to do that sometimes. So at the time when I was 30, I had it all. I had everything when I was 30. I had the fancy cars. I'm not proud of it, so let's keep it at a secret. Just keep it, don't tell anyone, and don't make some shorts from this. I had 2 girlfriends for some times, you know, shortage of time, you know. There was girls, you know, cars, friends, drinking. I mean, I wasn't drinking, so I wasn't an alcoholic, but partying, cars, traveling to the sea, you know, having the life, you know. Fortunately, I was able to first TP it on your combine. Guys, huge applause for KRK. He just started out his combine. Account. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna move my sell stop up here. Below this swing. I'm gonna do the same here. Right there. Alright. So sell stop has been moved. So I was having a blast when I was 30. It was great. It was really great. And it was even so that's why it was hitting me that hard when I had to sell my cars. As I said, I'm a huge BMW fan. I had 5 BMWs at that time. I wasn't really needing them, but yeah. KRK is definitely on the good way, guys. KRK is just becoming 20 years old. He already suffered a lot. He already knows what he's doing. He already has he's on the right path. With a prop firm, learning how to trade, started his own combine. Man, I wish I could be in your shoes with 20 years old. If I would be 20 years old, man, by the time, I mean, man, if you keep on the right path, you're going to be printing money, KRK. You're going to be printing money. I tell you that. And this is sometimes I feel like, oh man, I've thrown out years of my life. I wish I could have been taking trading seriously back in 2007 when I first encountered with trading. I wish I could have taken trading much more seriously back at the time. And then I left out 10 years and started all over in 2017. Because KRK, you are, you know, with this knowledge that you have, and in today's, back in the days, we did not have this technology we have right now. I swear, man, sometimes I search Google for how to build a time machine. Yeah. Yes, I have tried Forex signals. I have definitely. I was just saying that in 2007, where is it? The first thing that started me on the path was the Fab Turbo EA robot right here, Fab Turbo. Now it's 3.0. Back at the time it was just Fab Turbo. So I started out with Fab Turbo. I was 20 something years old. I had $500 back in the day. $500 was like 3 times more like now, $500. So I put it to my Forex account and I bought this freaking robot for $200 and I lost the money in 2 days. But this is how I started. And then I tried some signals. And I'm going to tell you something. If you are just relying on a signal service, like you're receiving a push notification or I don't know, you know, that's not completely good, you know, if you're just receiving a push notification. I don't know what happened to that comment. Is it got deleted? I have a moderator, but maybe the guy was I don't know. I'm sorry if your message was deleted by the bot. There is a moderation, but I forgot to turn it out. So it's fine to take signals, but it's a differential for taking signals from a text message service from somewhere unknown and having a trading buddy, for example, and I'm talking for my side, of course, in a Discord membership, you're having a trading buddy and you have a thought process that you're going through and you guys are taking the same trades and you are growing together, you know. That's the difference. It's much better to join a trustworthy and profitable trading buddy, even in a paid Discord membership, which I have. So visit pip.ninja. Yeah, that's the commercial. I know that. I know. So guys, visit pip.ninja and join my membership. So it's much better to have a trading buddy than just to pay for its signals, because then you will get the thought process. You will learn through on the way, and you know, by the time it differs for everyone, you're going to do it on your own, which is a great thing. I think it's that's why we're doing it. So let's see if we're going to reach for that high. That's why I put my TP at 90. I was just curious if we're gonna break that high or not. If we're not breaking that, our sell stop is still in place. I'm gonna do a new site on my Discord welcome page. I mean, not pip.ninja because it's a wacky video. It's not so good. Now I've written down some stuff. I'm gonna do a new recording of that video. But I do expect my membership to grow because I'm not gonna lie, of course it's another income source for me, and I'm gonna repeat it over and over. I want to help those guys as well in the New York session and with my exact entry models and cheat sheets. I have some very good material there to, you know, grow faster. And, you know, having a trading buddy is always good. Anyway, pound, look at pound. Pound. Okay, maybe pound is going to do that high again. Problem is that we're only 5 pips away, so risk reward is definitely off. Maybe, but it did take out this high. I wasn't really paying attention to that. And gold, wow, look at gold. Yeah, I know. I mean, the word mentor is how should I say? I like the trading buddy, you know. It's like a American slang word for trading friend. I like the trading buddy a little bit better, like mentor. But definitely. Have you tried FTMO challenge? Yes, I have tried FTMO challenge, and I do have. Actually, I do have it somewhere here. Let me show you. I think I have it somewhere. I have saved my. Recently, I passed an FTMO challenge as well. Yeah, passed an FTMO challenge here. September, that's my real name, Thomas Sabo. Yeah, passed a Apex certificate verification, also passed. One in June because it was a different one anyway. So yeah, I tried FTMO, and I just like futures much better. I don't know why. What was the question? Have you tried challenge? Why top step? Yeah, why top step? The reason why top step is well, there are multiple reasons. One is I think first of all, unregulated Forex prop firms are. And it's not because my Forex funds pulled down from the market. It's not because of that. Unregulated Forex prop firms are not interested in your success. Yes. You might be asking what? Yes. They are not interested in your success. They don't want you to succeed. Unregulated Forex prop firms do not want you to pull out their money, like the funded trader, my funded FX, or whatever. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't want to go on with names. Anyway, unregulated offshore prop firms are all want your money. And if you're a good trader, at the end, if you're profitable and if you're constantly profitable, they are going to come up with an excuse not to pay you out money. That's for one. I pulled out money from FTMO before, and I pulled out money from other places, but I blown my FTMO account, by the way, just saying. But they are going to find an excuse for one. The second reason, they are manipulating the spread, the slippage, and everything. I had the video on my website from the funded trader. It's like it has like 18,000 views. I never thought that this many people are going to watch that small video. And they are not even denying it. They do not even deny. They have implemented software which is designed to fail traders. I'm not putting down that shit anymore. That's for once. Second reason, the Forex market, I agree with ICT, the Forex market is going to be over in a few years. Central bank digital currencies are coming. Forex market is going to be dead. It's going to be extremely regulated. You're not going to be able to trade with a MetaTrader. But that's a long story. We could be talking about it for hours. I did my research, trust me. But don't trust me anyway. So Forex is dead. We're left with commodities and futures. And futures market, as ICT said as well, it's a gentleman's market. And you know what? Top Step is regulated since 12 years with the CFTC, with the SEC, and they have in their contracts since 12 years that these accounts are simulated demo accounts, not real money, absolutely not. And they are absolutely well established firms, just like Apex. The only thing I don't like Apex is the intraday trading stuff. I don't like that, but these are regulated prop firms once, and Top Step has a great community. I think the support is great. The money that you pay for the challenge is obviously much better worth it. Yeah, is that pronounced it right? Worth it than paying, for example, $500 or $600 for a 100K challenge account, or $300 for a 50K challenge account. You can start a 50K account from $49 at Top Step. Instead, other prop firms giving it for $300 or $270 or whatever. It's absolutely better and cheaper. Yes, of course we have an activation fee of $150, so that's not true, because the $50,000 account, if you pass, it's $200. So yes, there you have it. But still, if you go with the 150K, you have it for $300. So definitely a better investment. For $300, you get a 150K account. And by the way, don't kid ourselves. If you sign up for a regular unregulated Forex prop firm with a 50K account, what do you get? Basically, even if you pass the challenge, you're gonna get $5,000. So I just hate the thing that I don't like that, you know, some influencers out there who are trading, they're writing out to their Twitter or to their Instagram that I'm a Sarvesh, if you break the daily limit, does it just pause you or kick you out? It pauses me. That's a very good thing. It doesn't. It's not going to terminate my account. If I hit the daily limit, I'm just done for the day, but the account is still there. So that's a good thing again with Top Step. So other prop firms, if you hit the daily limit, you're done, because they want you to hit the daily limit. They want you to be out. They want your money. So Top Step is just going to block you for the day, and you can continue tomorrow. That's another good thing, I think. So where was I? Anyway, yeah. So influencers write out that, hey, I'm a 2 million funded trader. I am a 700,000 funded trader. Funded by $700,000. Yeah. Cool, man. Cool. $700,000 funded trader. Guys, I can tell you I'm funded with $450,000 with Top Step. Actually not, because now I'm funded with $300,000. That's bullshit, guys. That's just brain manipulation. It's your subconscious is just manipulated to you know, I mean, it's a great thing to say, but really, if you're funded with 100K, you're really funded with 10K, and that's not even real money. That's virtual demo money. So if you say that, hey, I have 100K funded account, that's great. I accept that. You can say that. But in real, you just have 10k. That's all you have. You have 10,000 that you can play with. That's it. Not $100,000. But it does look good, you know, when you write it out to your Instagram and Twitter. It definitely gives you some, you know, like, yeah. I might do it as well. Who knows? Maybe I will do it. Maybe I will write it out. Maybe I will put it out there to my Twitter. Who knows? I have an Instagram too. I rarely put anything out there. Maybe I should put it out like, guys, I'm $450,000 funded trader. What a bullshit. That's bullshit. Oh, I love those influencers. I'm not gonna name them, but you guys can find those people. I'm funded with 2 million capital. That's bullshit. And that's even a bigger lie. Because if he says that he is a funded trader with $2 million, that's bullshit. But if he says that I have 2 million capital funded, that's a lie. Because the capital that he's funded with is maximum 200k. That's it. So he's funded with $200,000 capital if he has 2 million. So there's a difference in what you say. So in Top Step, and I don't want to downgrade anything. I love Top Step. If you're starting out with a 50k account and you get the funded level, you're basically funded with $2,000. Right? That's why you have to go with micros. I think that's how you have to continue with micro trading. And so continue with micros. I'm funded. For example, I have right now I have 2 active funded accounts, but I have passed. I can show you guys. Where is it? I have 2 50k accounts, 150k here, 150k, not even activated yet. Passed. I didn't even activate it yet. I just don't need it right now. I'm not concentrating on trading 3 accounts at once. So if you're trading with 150k at Top Step, and you're basically operating with $4,500, not $150,000, just $4,500. So $4,500. That's all you have. Yes, if you're good, you can start to build up the account, and it's gonna lock in the trailing stop. And you can, you know, there are traders in Top Step. I see them, I talk with them, I chat with them on Discord. They are building up their account to 30. 40, 50, they're being called to live account, and they have $40, $50, $60,000 accounts, which is real because they did a new contract with them. That money, it goes to the live market, but that's another question. Those are really good traders. I'm not at that level yet. Just telling you guys, I'm not a guru. I'm not at that level yet. I'm not making tens of thousands per month or something, not yet. But anyway, we also got to our take profit. I see that now. I don't know what to do. Should I pull this 73? I'm just gonna leave it here. Let's wait for maybe it's gonna take it out. It's only 6 points away. It should take it out. There you go, semmi gond. Okay, so KRK was just asking because he's a Hungarian fellow of mine. So he was asking Hungarian. Yeah, értem. So he's asking, he's asking about what's the difference if you have a live account instead of a express funded account. Basically it's the same. Tehát gyakorlatilag ugyanaz. Partially Hungarian here, guys. Give me a moment. Tehát gyakorlatilag ugyanaz a kettő. Az a különbség, hogy az XFA számlának, a profitnak csak a felét veheted ki, amíg nincs meg a 30 sikeres napod. Tehát csak az 50%-át veheted ki a profitnak. Viszont ha élő számlán vagy, akkor a 100%-át a profitnak kiveheted. Tehát ha van az élő számládon 20-30 ezer dollár, bármikor mondhatod azt a Topstepnek, hogy oké, most kérek belőle 10 ezret, vagy mit tudom én, 20 ezret. So I was just explaining to KRK the biggest difference. Egyébként ugyanazt látod, ugyanaz a chart, minden ugyanaz. Teljesen ugyanaz. So I'm just explaining to KRK that basically you see everything the same way. You see the same chart, you see the same execution, everything. The biggest difference with the live account and the XFA account is that whatever profit you make on the live account, you can get to take out 100% of the profit. 100% of the profit you can take it out. While on the XFA account, you can only take 50% of the profit. Nagyon egyszerű. Yeah, how is it worth to them? It's very simple. Lemásolják a legjobb kereskedőiknek az ügyleteit. Van egy risk manager departmentjük, akik gyakorlatilag folyamatosan figyelik a legjobb kereskedőiket, és minden nap nagyon közelről szorosan figyelik őket, hogy kik hogyan kereskednek, és a saját tőkéjükre lemásolják az ügyleteiket. So I'm just explaining that why is it good for Topstep if someone is taking the money out from the live account? It's very simple. If someone has a live account, on average, a live account trader at Topstep has like $30, $40, $50, $60,000 on the live account. And that amount of money has been transferred from that person's XFA account. I mean, transferred, like basically transferred. So that's the amount that he built up from profits. So why is it good for Topstep for letting people take out that money anytime they want to? Or they can also choose like, hey, I have $40,000 in my live account, Topstep, hello, I want to take it all out and I want to close my account. They're going to let him or her do that. Why is it good for Topstep? Because they have a risk department, and they're talking about this many times at Topstep TV. By the way, we reached take profit, which is great. So they have a risk department, and they are watching their best traders, live traders, closely, and they are managing risk, like they're copy trading. That's what I meant to say. They are copy trading those traders. They said it clearly that the best traders they have in the first line of trading, they are copy trading those trades into their own capital at Topstep, and they are checking their trading patterns of those traders. How are they doing? How are they trading? And within certain risk parameters, they are allocating or copying those trades to their own capital. But otherwise, trust me, Topstep is doing a huge amount of money from failed challenges as well. They are not denying it. The other day, Michael Patek, I think he confirmed that. I think, I don't want to jinx it or something, but they're making income, and they don't even deny it. They are paying out. They said it. They are paying out a lot of these XFA profits from failed challenges, basically all of them, and it's easy. For example, let's go with my funded FX. My funded FX took $300 million from traders, and it paid out from failed challenges, and it paid out like $20 or $30 million for profitable traders. Why not? Great, good for them. I would have done the same. I would love traders to fail. If I would be owning my own prop firms, I would pray that I would be having a lot of traders to fail, because that's a casino. I would be operating. I would not be operating a prop firm. I would be operating a casino. As a CEO of a casino, I would be praying, if I would be the CEO of a prop firm, to please let all the loser traders come to me. Let them pay their challenge money to my prop firm. Let them, please let them. to my company. I want them to lose. I'm honest, guys. If I would be owning a prop firm, that's how I would think. Especially an unregulated prop firm. Because I'm not doing a prop firm to, oh yeah, you're a good person. I want you to succeed. I want you to be the new Gordon Gekko. I want you to be the best person you can be as a trader. F that. I want him or her to lose the money. Pay the fee, let him lose, and give me the money. And pay 10 more prop firm money. I know it sounds weird. That's the harsh truth, guys. It's capitalism. And if you want to hate me for that, I give you the point. Yeah, you can hate me for that. I'm sorry. But that's how I would run my prop firm. If that I would have an unregulated prop firm. But still, Top Step doesn't deny that that's how they're doing most of a huge chunk of their business. They have a lot of people from all over the planet who are losing a lot of money with they are abusing the reset button and the new challenge. Guys, I know someone here in Hungary. I know a guy. I hope he's not gonna watch this stream. I know someone who paid I'm not gonna lie, over 60,000 now, $60,000 on challenges. 60,000 US American dollars on challenges. A Hungarian, I know a Hungarian person. I know him in person. I met with him. I've met with the guy. He's a 55-year-old guy or 56. He spent over, in Hungarian forint, I'm gonna say it to KRK, he spent, tudod mennyit kötött? 26 millió forintot challenge-ekre. 26 millió forintot. So the guy spent, that's even more. How much is that? How much is 26 million Hungarian forints? 26. That's to USD. Sorry, $74,000. $74,000, a Hungarian guy who I know in person. 74,000. He spent 26 million Hungarian forints, which is $74,000 he spent on challenge accounts everywhere. The Funded Trader, Funded Next, FTMO. Yes, I would say that. Astak Urva, yes. FTMO, True Funded Trader, or whatever. I don't even know. He's tried everything. The guy spent $74,000 and guess how long ago? In less than 1 year. He spent it in less than 1 year on challenge accounts. Yes, that's a sad thing, actually. Guys, so let's, circle back, as they say in America. If I would be having an unregulated prop firm, I would be praying for these guys. Please spend your $74,000 to my prop firm, please, because you're gonna fail and I want your money because you can't trade. No, he's not. He's not profitable, Ribis. He's not profitable. He's still not profitable. I tried to help him. I'm sorry I'm speaking about him here. I feel bad now. But I didn't say his name and I'm not going to name him or what kind of person he is. I tried to help him. I have his phone number in my phone. I can talk to him. Less than 1 year, yes. And he spent 74,000 US dollars in less than 1 year on challenges. And he's not a rich person. I mean, not that kind of person who just blows away thousands of dollars on a monthly basis for crazy stuff. He's an average income person. And he spent $74,000. And if he calls me, because sometimes he calls me for help or advice, I can't help him. I can't. I just can't. I told him that at the first time I told him I'm gonna, because he told me when he was already spending $10,000 on challenges. And I told him, hey man, you should stop, you know. Rivis, he didn't take a loan, but he sold some stuff. He has a trucking company. Guess what? Oh no, I can't. I can't say more. I don't want to say this. He's 55 or 56 years old. I don't want to say more about him because that would be. Maybe he's gonna track the stream or someone. He's, you know, Hungary is a small place. I don't want to say more about him. I can say that when I approached him, actually he approached me, and not through my stream, but through a person we know, through one of my friends, and he was already down $10,000 on challenges, and I said, man, you're doing it wrong. It's very bad what you're doing right now. You should stop. And so I gave him many advice. I was talking with him hours on the phone while he was trading. I was on the phone with him many times when I was streaming months ago. I put the I'll be right back or something because he was calling me during the stream, during the European session, that hey, what should I do here? What should I do? I told him what not to do and what to do, and he still didn't do that. And he's just, you know, he has his credit card, boom, pushing the button, more challenges, one more. And he calls me at the end of the day, hey man, I just bought 3 challenges today. And I say, man, you have a problem. Now that's a problem. That's a huge problem. And guess what? At FTMO, he went to the funded account, and on the funded account, I think he had a 200k funded account at FTMO, and he managed to pull that account up to almost $20,000. $18,000 or $19,000 profit was in that account, and he wasn't calling me. So he calls me and, hey man, I have $19,000 in profit on my funded account. And I was shouting at him, hey man, just walk away, put it down, wait for the payout, walk away. That's what I told him the whole night. Walk away, walk away. Guess what he did the other day? You guessed it right. The other day, because he YOLO'd it, he made like $8,000 or $10,000 in a day. So he was up like $17,000 in his funded account. And he said, no, I can make another one next day. No, I said, no, you can't. You cannot make this money tomorrow or after tomorrow. Guess what? The other day, boom. That's it. I can't help. I can't help. And then he calls me that he's down to 74,000, 26 million Hungarian forints he spent on challenges. I can't help him. I can't do. But that's how prop firms work. Guess what? How many people like this throwing their money into prop firms? How many people like this throwing money to prop firms? Insane amount of people. Anyway. Okay, this was, again, not a traditional trading session, but hey, we made some money, some profits. Both of my positions ended up nicely. My Ninja Trader also. So that's good. I'm going to wait for New York session. I'm not taking more trades. Pound pushed higher, took out this high. Gold went, gold I think is going to take out this high, but I'm not jumping into anything. Powell is going to speak tonight. We might gonna continue to consolidate at the New York Open. So I'm gonna stream to my private Discord members at the New York Open. So until then, I'm just gonna chill. And I think we're gonna hit through the 16,000 level real soon. That's all I see, but I'm not jumping into anything. It was a good run. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the stream, push the like button, join my Discord membership, send me donations and money because I want money. Not really, I want to. I have no idea what's he talking about. I have no... Let's see. Powell, what's he talking about? What is this? Participate in a fireside chat titled navigating pathways to economic mobility at the Spelman College. So it's okay, so that's gonna be like a interview or something in Atlanta. Okay, so once there at 11, is it going to be 11? Yeah, it's 11 a.m. New York time, and then he's going to participate in a roundtable discussion at the Spelman College again. So he's going to be in Atlanta today at the college, and I guess he's going to have some questions. So that can shake the market a little bit. You're welcome, guys, for the horror story. Thank you so much for being here. Again, check out my sites and my membership. Subscribe to the stream. I'm going to be uploading, promise you this time, the new content for my YouTube. It's going to be called Walks and Talks. So it's going to be real life stuff related to trading. That I'm going to be walking and I'm going to be talking with my selfie stick and my mobile phone, and it's going to be the mental aspect of how real life, is getting into our trading life. So it's a little bit of a real life with versus trading life discussion. I have some good topics. All right, so see you guys next time, and have a great weekend. All right, thank you so much for being here. Love you all, and have a great day.